Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Thursday, 7 August. We're sponsored by the ArchLIGHT Summit. Register now for the 16-17 September event in Dallas. If you enjoyed Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. As I mentioned earlier, the ArchLIGHT Summit returns 16-17 September at the Dallas Market Center, featuring CEUs, networking, and the popular Showroom Spectacular, with tours, demos, and celebrations from top lighting brands across permanent showrooms. Find out more at edisonreport.com. Orion is installing 90 EV charging stations for Boston Public Schools as part of multiple contracts totaling $6.5 million. This will support the district's plan to fully electrify its 750 bus fleet, which is the largest school bus electrification effort in the Northeast. Orion's stock popped on that news. In the latest Light Pod episode, Justin Strebe of One Lux unpacks the chaos of lighting procurement, revealing why buying lights is so complicated and how better alignment can serve both specifiers and clients. We link to that story at edisonreport.com. For the first time in 123 years, Manhattan's Flatiron building will be illuminated thanks to a new exterior lighting design by our friends at La Observatoire International. We link to the New York Post article. Light Lab is hiring regional sales managers for the Midwest and New York area. The role involves building relationships with designers and architects, driving sales, and collaborating on custom lighting solutions. Experience in lighting or architecture is required. Yesterday, the Dow was up 81 points. NASDAQ gained 253 on Apple's big news, another $100 billion investment in U.S. production, and Orion gained 19%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.